If you need an all-in-one compliance and consent management platform, I have the deal for you. It's called Consently, and currently they are launching a lifetime deal, and I want to show you my mixed feelings between this lifetime deal, if you should grab it or not. So let's get started. So Consently is a compliance and consent management system that lets you embed this on your website really easily to get the cookie management system, for example, your privacy policy, the cookie banner, the settings for all of these, manage preferences, and it gives you that flexibility of doing this super easily. That's what makes this attractive. Now, currently, Consently has a lifetime deal that starts off at $39, but this is where I have my mixed feelings of what I like and dislike about it. So if you grab license tier 1 or 2, which is one site for tier 1, $39, which is crazy affordable for a lifetime deal, is that you get 50,000 page views, which is, that's a whole lot, especially if you don't have a lot of traffic, but you don't get the branding removal on tier 1 and 2, which I think is kind of a turnoff, unless you don't mind having branding on the cookie consent and your platform management system for the cookies and the privacy policy. If that's good with you, then tier 1 and 2, I think has good pricing. And then we have tier 3 that has removable branding. This is where I think it shines, but it gets expensive. I mean, if you need it for 10 websites, it's totally affordable. But if you don't need 10 websites, if you just want to remove branding and you have 2 to 5 websites, then you are paying more than what you need. So that's where I have mixed feelings of this. Now, before I show you how to embed this on your website, let me show you the sponsor for this video, which is Hostinger. They have managed WordPress hosting with AI agent embedded into it, which is pretty cool. And this is included on their most popular plan and the cloud startup plan. So if you want to grab it right now, you can grab the Business Plus AI feature for $2.99 a month. You'll get the option to install up to 50 websites, 5 managed node websites, 50 gigabytes of NVMe storage, and 5 mailboxes per website free for 1 year. All that included for this low price. Now let me show you this plan because I'm going to show you how to apply a coupon code. Now, the first thing that Hostinger is going to ask you is how many months do you want to pay in advance? I recommend the 48 months because you're going to lock in the lowest price and the lowest renewal price. Now this is the current pricing for 4 years paid off. But if you click on have a coupon code and if you type in my code or paste it in, the price is going to drop even lower for the 4 years paid off. So it's an affordable plan. Now jumping over to Consently and how to add this to your website. Now, once you get started, you add your website. So add the domain and it's going to take you to this section and you're going to get started in the cookie banner. Now to add this to your website, there's a little option here that says view embed script. Click on it and this is going to be your personal script that you're going to add in the header section of your website. Now, if you're using WordPress, just go ahead and jump into your site, go to appearance, theme file editor, and go into the header.php. Add it right in the middle of the head and head section, okay? So make sure to add it right here. This is what I've done. And that will now pop up on your website. You'll be able to make the customizations over here and that will reflect on your website really easily. So now for the actual customization, you got the cookie banner. For example, if you don't want to allow the decline button, just go ahead and turn this off and the button is gone. If you update your website, that's going to reflect also over there. So you can add the preference button or not allow preference, and that's up to you if you want to do so or not. And then you got your view to see how it's going to preview on the website. And it's just super easy to add this to your website. Then we have the layout for the cookie banner. For example, right now we are viewing the bar. You can change the style to a box and it just changes completely. I like the style more. It's less invasive, but it's up to you. And there's the cloud option, which is also less invasive than the bar option. So decide what you want to use. That's for the layout. You got the button positions. You can change these right here. And this is all about the layout where you can change colors and style so they fit your actual branding on your website. So it's practical and easy to use. That's for the cookie banner. Then there's the cookie manager. So we got the options right here where we can scan the website right now to add the details that it's going to need. For example, in the privacy policy and the cookie information of what the cookies are going to be used for. And that's going to be scanned right here. So if you are requesting for Facebook login, Google login, if you are registering emails and here and that, it's going to detect this and it's going to add all the details right here. So it adds it on your website. So it's a good option to add this right here, and you can schedule this to recheck every once in a while so it updates those details. That's for the cookie manager. Then you got your consent lock right here where you're going to be able to view everything that's going on. The languages, so if you want to add languages to this, so if your website is multilingual, go ahead and add the languages right here. And then you got your policy generator. You can start your policy generator right here by adding in the details for the policy. Now, this is going to generate the policy based on your needs. Just go ahead and finish out this questionnaire right here, and it's going to generate the policy. And then we have the dashboard to view everything that's going on right here, like the views, where their location is, the consent log, the consent response ratio, and how they are interacting with the banner. So like I said, this is a good deal if you grab license tier 3 without the branding and you almost need the 10 websites, then it comes really affordable. Or if you're an agency and you need to add this to certain websites in your business, then it's also a good option. Then you got license tier 4 if you need more limits, and all the way up to license tier 5 for 50 websites and 5 million page views per month. So there you go. That is for Consently. And like I said, if you don't mind having the branding, then you can grab the affordable plan and start using it right now on your website. And that's a wrap for Consently.